To the World D'Onofrio. You ever want to know how artists or anybody puts a picture to an actual music file or song and they just have one picture? The best way of doing that and getting the best quality out of that, there's an app on iPhone and Android. I'm using an Android right now. I'm going to show you how to do it. But it's the same for iPhone. You want to download this app right here called Mago Video. Magovideo. It's this one right here. I'll click on that. You're going to make a picture or use a picture if you want. We're going to hit this edit button down here when you get in here. I'm going to choose a photo. I'm going to choose this one right here just for plain sight. Now, you want it, depending on how long your song is, if it's like, say a song is 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I usually click it, the photo about, keep clicking it about 25 times, because each photo is about 2 to 5 seconds long. So we click on 25 times, say, and then we click this little pink arrow down here, and from here it's going to play out like that's two minutes and 5 seconds. If you want to make it longer, you can hit this add button at the end of the file. Scroll down, hit the add button, this plus button here, and then you can add a picture again, or the best way of doing it is to hit this edit button and you can just hit copy, and see it went to 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Now if you hit this edit button down here and you want it longer, you can make it up to 6 seconds, as long as you want. So say you have 2 more seconds worth of the song, you want to add 2 seconds, say. You want to go, 2 seconds. So you go ahead and add that, it'll add 2 more seconds to the song. So from here, I put 2 minutes and 4 seconds. I'll probably add a copy of that a couple times, because I know the song's a little longer than that. Whoops, sorry, get out of there, edit. You're gonna go ahead and copy. Keep doing that, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do 10 seconds, and I'm gonna copy it 10 seconds. So let's do that one more time, edit. Just take some time to do that. You're going to hit this copy button again down here. I'll do 10 more seconds, hit copy. So 227 should be fine. Next thing you want to do is scroll this little bottom down here at the bottom, hit music tab, and you want to hit more right here in the middle. You want to go to my music, and you can put in, here's your music files here. So I'm going to add one here. I'll add this one of my songs here, so it doesn't be copyrighted. I'll do the Torque It song, say it's 2 minutes 30 seconds. So you hit use. If you have any and that's basically, hit the play button and it'll go ahead and play all the way through the song. I can see. And you can end it to where you want it. From here you can add text if you want. If you don't already have text, I have text on mine. There's different types of stickers you can add, touch-ups, effects. You can add all kinds of things to this. It's pretty neat. It's probably one of the best apps, picture apps that I've used to add to songs. Anyways, let me just show you this quick thing right here. This refine effects here. When you're using an effect, like say this cartoon one, say, click on it and you touch the video and add how much you want to the video. And add how much. That's where it stops. Or you can scroll down and add where you want the actual effect. Then you hit OK. And that's where it's going to play in that section you added it. When you're done, you're going to hit this arrow at the top with the line underneath it. And I usually do 1080p. Click that. it'll go ahead and save it to that file. So we're going to wait a couple seconds and let it save. Shouldn't take too long. It just depends on how long it is and how many effects you're adding to it, or the music file itself. So we'll let that go. We're at 50 seconds now, and the song I had was 2 minutes and 30 seconds long. Just keep it going. Okay, keep on. I just want to show you in real time kind of how long it takes to do a song. And this is on a Galaxy S10 I have. So that I'm using here. Okay, so when it's done, it saves automatically to your gallery, but you can play it here. Hit video player. And this is what it's going to look like.
I train, I'm in it for the fame, to the market in this little piggy new.
That's basically it. There's how you do your song, and you can add it up to your Facebook files, or not Facebook, yeah, Facebook, YouTube, or whatever, however you want to use it. You can save the draft, or I'm not going to save this draft, but that's how you basically use that. So I hope that works for you.